Hi guys, and by that I mean my one professor who will be the only person hearing this podcast. I'm back here joined with my mother this time, my mommy. She speaks only Spanish but understands English. She is excited to learn with me, right mommy?
Yes.
Alright, let's jump into it. Today's podcast will be project number 2, adaptations of marine organisms, starting out with the first organisms from the macroalgae, seaweed, which I will be discussing brown algae. Macroalgae are photosynthesis organisms which obtain their food throughout photosynthesis by capturing light energy and converting it into organic compounds. For brown algae, but mostly all algae, they primarily struggle with light ability. If it's too crowded in a shared area, they will not receive enough sunlight. Therefore, they go to areas with. What do you think about photosynthesis, mommy? Helpful?
Yes.
Yes.
Interesante.
Yes. Next thing we'll be discussing is osmoregulation, which is maintaining the proper salt concentration inside cells. The first invertebrate from the phylum Muscula is the marine snails. Marine snails have specialized cells and structures that help them regulate the salt concentration in their bodies, enabling them to live in salt water. If there's too much salt in the water, it's terrible for them. What do you think about marine snails? Snails that live underwater. Did you know those existed, mommy?
No.
No? Next one. Another invertebrate from the phylum Cnidaria is the Cyanomia. Cyanomias have contral vacuoles and specialized cells that help them osmoregulate, maintaining the proper salt concentrations in their cells. These help them have a balance from salt water. Isn't that so interesting, mommy?
Yes.
Yes. On to the next adaptation, which is thermoregulation. This is a process of maintaining the proper body temperature for fishes. Tunas are bony fish that are ectothermic, meaning that they rely on their environment to regulate their own body temperatures. They can move to different water depths to adjust their body temperature as needed. This becomes a challenge if the water is too cold and they freeze too much. Do you like tuna fish, mommy?
Yes.
Yes? Yeah, mommy. The final organisms are coming up. For our first tetrapod vertebrate is the king penguin. Mommy, are they mammals or birds? Penguins.
Mammals?
Birds.
Okay.
Penguins are birds. They do eggs, mommy.
Okay.
Yes. King penguins use thermoregulation as well. They rely on their thick layer of insulating feathers and huddling behavior to maintain proper body temperatures in the cold Antarctic environment. They also have countercurrent heat exchange in their legs to prevent heat loss. Do you like penguins, mommy?
Yes, I like.
Okay. Our final organism is another tetrapod vertebrate, a harbor seal. Harbor seals avoid predation through various strategies, such as using their streamlined body shapes and agility in the water, which allows them to escape from predators such as sharks and or killer whales. All my resources have been paraphrased from the modules provided from the course, and thanks to the American Scientist Organization for their information as well. Thank you so much for joining me, mommy.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Have a good day.